Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today. Volume was massive. Unfortunately, it was a very bearish day, and in trading jargon and charting jargon, this is what you would just call a gap and trap. So if you're new, not sure what I mean when I say gap and trap, on Monday the price closed right there, and then this morning the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. In fact, in this situation, a very big gap up. So big gap up, and then the opening bell rang. The price actually moved up a little bit here, and then this is where things get savage because there were some poor souls buying up around here. And then from that point, it was basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that's the gap and trap that took place. Not just becomes a question of where is this downwards pressure, downwards momentum, finally going to find some, alleviation and, kind of get some sideways buyers. And as of right now, the level that a lot of people are going to be watching for a couple different reasons moving forward is that $13 mark. Yeah, because, if you look in the past, it has acted as support. But I think the main reason people are going to be watching is not that far below. You have the pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, and that's currently valued at $12.83. Who knows? Maybe some people don't even care about $13. They're just all focused on that $12.83-ish mark, again, because that's the 200 period moving average. But point here being, a lot of eyeballs are going to be watching those levels, and I emphasize that because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's one of those areas where, again, no such thing as a guarantee. My point here is that it's a rational thought to have that if the price were to come down to that area, break through it, that could create just that much more downside selling pressure. On the flip side of things, if there is any sort of attempted bounce, key area in the near term is going to be that purple line right there, the 50 period moving average, which is currently valued right around 1365. But yeah, rough day today with the gap and trap, but we'll see if the price and the bulls can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.